Hi, Nanu. Sorry, I will tell how to study maths so that you can get good marks. Okay, in this video, I am going to explain all those things. First, I will consider the easy questions, easy problems in maths. So, for what you have to do in the case of easy problems, first you read the problem, you read the question and solution, understand it. Okay, first understand the question, understand the solution, don't write anything. First you do this. Once you have done, then without seeing, you have to write on a paper. Question you can see and write on a paper, but when comes to solution, you have already read it. So based on that, try to write on a paper without seeing the solution. So after writing, so while writing or after writing on a paper, you may forget something, some step. For example, for a solution there are six steps. You were able to remember four steps and you have written those steps correctly on the paper, but fifth step you forgot it. So what you have to do, second time you check only that fifth step in the solution, check it, understand, and without seeing, write that only fifth step. Okay, next, after that, final solution you review, final solution whatever you have written on the paper. Okay, so in the final solution, or I mean final answer, if final answer is correct or not, you check once again. If final answer is also wrong, now verify. Okay, identify the mistake you have done by seeing the solution and also solution you have written on the paper. So now you understood. Fifth step you forgot, that you understood, and also you identified the mistake which you have done so that you got the wrong answer. Okay, this is how you first time you practice on the paper. Now what you have to do, second time also you have to practice in another space or another page. Now in the first page you understood the fifth step and also understood the mistake you have done so that you got the wrong answer. Second time what you have to do, again you have to write the solution without seeing, from first step to final answer. Okay, this time also if you forgot fifth step or final answer, again you have to check the solution, again you have to practice in another page from first step to final answer. Okay, see, this is maths. See, if you practice only one step which you have done wrong, okay, that is very difficult to remember the solution and write in the exam. You may forget it. Okay, so if you have done mistake in the fifth step, after verifying, if you have to practice in the another page, from first step to final answer you have to practice. Again if you do any mistake, again you have to verify. Okay, so in second step also or third step also, if you have done mistake, you have to go for fourth page. In fourth page also again you have to write the first first step, from first step to final answer. Okay, if in the fourth practice attempt and you have checked the solution, if the answer is correct, all the steps are correct and final also correct, so now you will feel happy. See how you practiced the problems. First just understand the solution, without saying you have written on the paper. Then verification, fifth step is wrong, answer also wrong. So you have verified, so second time also you have practiced, second time also some mistake. So again third time also practice, you identified the mistake and you went to third step, then sorry third page or third time practice. After that you went to fourth time practice also. In the fourth attempt, in the fourth page, your solution was correct. Okay, now in the fourth attempt you have written everything correct, right? So you should not stop there only. Again fifth time also you have to practice without seeing. If you say fifth time also correct, that is that you feel more happy. Next go for sixth time also. So practice in that way. Why means this is maths. Okay, only once if you read and just write only once on a paper, when the exam comes you will forget, because by the exam time you will have many problems. If you don't practice properly, even though you know the solution, you may forget in the exam. I mean you will get stuck in the middle of the solution. So but because of that you have to practice in this way. uh, Actually this is for medium and tough questions. See, it's better if you do these things whichever I have said now. For all easy, medium and tough problems, it's really nice, because practice makes man perfect. If you practice more, it will be very easy to remember in the exam. Okay, for example, if you have less time, very less time, and if you don't have a lot of time to practice like this, mean for one problem practicing 6 times, writing the solution 6 times. If you don't have such time, that much of time, what you have to do, for easy problems you take less time, don't practice many times. For easy problem, try to solve by reading only once, by understanding solution only once, and writing only once on the paper. When if you don't have time, whatever the steps I have done, that you do mainly for so tough questions or medium questions or important questions that you will get in the exam. For those important questions you should practice like this. Okay, if you don't have that much time, so for easy problems don't practice more. Okay, try to understand the solution once and practice only once on a paper for easy problems if you don't have time. Okay, for important questions you have to practice in this way. Okay, then only you can remember in the exam and you will get good marks. So this is how even I used the method and I got 90% in the maths. I did not go to any tuitions, any coachings. I studied on my own. Okay. Thank you. I hope you understood how to study maths. Okay. Next, what tips I can give? Uh, just final summary I will tell. To remember maths solutions, just reading only once and understanding solution is not enough. If you practice more and more, it will be more and more helpful to you. More and more you will remember, and you will get more and more marks in the exam. Practice. You have to write on a paper. Just reading is not sufficient. Okay. Thank you. If you like this video, click on subscribe. Thank you.